uncovering every angle. Mastering, cover all the bases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a popular American idiom, cover all the bases. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a bundle of culture, context, and application that enriches your English comprehension. So, let's get started and explore every corner of this expression. The phrase, cover all the bases, originates from the sport of baseball, where it is crucial for the defensive team to guard all four bases to prevent the offensive team from scoring runs. This strategy ensures that the team is prepared for any play the opposing team makes. By extension, the phrase has permeated everyday language, symbolizing thorough preparation and attention to detail in various contexts. To cover all the bases means to think of and address every possible situation, question, or aspect of something. When someone uses this idiom, they're often talking about a scenario where comprehensive planning or consideration is crucial. It's about leaving no stone unturned and ensuring that all potential issues or facets of a situation have been thought through and accounted for. This idiom is incredibly versatile and can be applied in numerous settings, from business meetings to academic projects, and even in personal planning. Here are a few examples to help you grasp its use. Before launching the new product, we need to cover all the bases to ensure its success. When organizing the event, she covered all the bases, ensuring there was something for everyone. To ace the exam, he covered all the bases, studying every topic in detail. A common mistake learners might make is using the phrase in a context that doesn't involve thorough preparation or consideration. Remember, cover all the bases implies a comprehensive approach. It's not suitable for situations that require a simple or superficial effort. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning, origin, and use of the phrase, cover all the bases. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you a glimpse into the cultural nuances of English. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovery at every turn. Keep exploring, and don't forget to cover all the bases in your quest for mastery. See you in the next video.